蛋浸魚，慢慢嘆藥，咪理佢咁多喎。
Yeah, it's my picture. It's very, very nice and very fast and the perfect picture.
Automatic coffee machines, and they're really, really cool. What I thought really stood out was the ability to print the photos onto the coffee, which is just absolutely amazing. I think this thing has the ability to expand, at least in the American market, to airports, universities, office buildings. I really think universities as well.
It's very amazing. I very like it, yes. For me, it's very surprisingly, and I think maybe I will make a business on this field and will buy one of these machines in the future. Yes, very attractive. I think it will be very popular in our country.
I just saw the coffee that your robots made. It's really amazing. It's really, really amazing. And I don't know how I will drink that. I just want to watch it. It's very beautiful. Thank you very much for such a technology.
First time seeing, especially with the ones that prints the picture like this, like so perfect.
I think it will be better than Starbucks. You can buy this and stay someplace, and this thing make you automatic money. It's very big thing.
拿出我们的全家福，全机器制作，太先进了！老外第一次见到中国的高新技术，不得不赞叹中国的高科技。
会自己水啊！
宝宝乖巧的等爸爸，一下就做好了。来看看拉花怎么样吧？
还会自己水杯啊！你看这个 coffee， Tata, Mama, Milena。
我的脸怎么少了一半？
米莲娜，你把你自己给抓没了！
疯狂安利给外国友人。
Welcome to China。